What if I told you that there was a way to push your negative Google reviews down while pushing your positive reviews up?
Yeah, sure.
This is one of the most mind-blowing things that we have found about reviews in the last decade. So it's important to pay close attention if you're one of those normal business owners that deals with negative reviews. In one of our recent tests, we wanted to compare how reviews with photos compare to reviews without them. If you're sitting here wondering what the heck do photos have to do with negative reviews, patience, grasshopper, I'm getting there.
Wax on, wax off.
Google allows users to leave a photo when they leave a review for a business. And we wanted to see how reviews that had photos compared with reviews that were just plain text. It turns out that adding an image to a review has a massive impact on how long that review will stick to the top of the most relevant reviews that Google displays. Because we like to understand exactly how Google works, we decided to add another step to our test. Don't act all surprised. We went to a client of ours and asked them to simply add a photo to a review that they had left for Sterling Sky years ago. We asked them specifically not to alter the text of the review whatsoever, and simply add a photo to the existing review on Google. This review was positive. It was a 5-star review. It was more than 2 years old, and it currently did not appear in the top 10 reviews that Google was displaying when you looked at our listing. What we found was that not only did adding the photo bump that review to the top 3 in the list, it completely changed the order of all the other reviews displayed as well. Before we had him do this, our top review was actually a 1-star review from a prospect who was upset that they couldn't get through to our sales team due to an issue with our phone system. However, after this photo was added, it pushed that 1-star review way to the bottom and pushed 5-star reviews to the top instead. Naturally, we had to keep testing. We reached out to a client that had a bad review featured at the top. And what this client had done is when they got the negative review, they reached out and had lots of other people leave them positive reviews, probably friends or family members. A lot of people do this. Now, the problem was none of those new 5-star reviews actually pushed the 1-star review down. It was still featured at the top of the page. We did see the same pattern where that review with the photo moved up the list, and consequently, the negative review moved down the list.
How about some more?
Hell yes.
We tried this one more time on a client that had a lot of negative reviews. We didn't really see the same results.
What is it? What's wrong?
If you're in that boat, to be honest, this strategy is probably not going to be effective. So if you're a business owner, you should absolutely encourage your customers to leave photos with their reviews whenever they can. So what is the action item? If you're a business owner who's had a negative review, reach out to your past customers who have already left you a positive review on Google. Simply ask them to add a photo to their review. From our testing, we have found that this often bumps that old review up into the top 10 and subsequently moves the negative review down. Hey guys, if you liked this video, please make sure to leave us feedback in the comments. We would love to see what types of things you're interested in hearing more about. Thanks for listening, and if you're looking for more tips, check out our other videos and make sure to share them with your friends.